Yeah, yeah. See my peanut butter jelly snack, pull it, ride, busky, painting. That's my sunshine when it's raining. That's my boo, yeah.
Good morning. Today I'm showing you the quickest and most beautiful halo eye I've probably ever done. It is so quick and easy, I can't believe it. I really love this look, so I can't wait to share it with you. So I hope you enjoy this really quick tutorial. The first shade I'm going in with is Soothe in the Sequin formula, and I'm buffing this all into my crease, up near my brow bone, and I'm just blending it all in, making it nice and smoky. I really hope you guys try this look out because it is so stunning. If you do, make sure to let me know so I can come over and have a look at it. I'd love to see it. We're now going in with Ritual in the matte formula, and I'm beginning to tap this on the outer corner of my eye, sort of in a wing, and then we are curving it around the shape of my eye to make my eye appear more rounded and larger. I'm also putting that in the very inner corner of my eye as well to give it this halo effect, which will also then help it to appear more round and like a larger lid space.
Lately, I tell you all the time, baby, you make me feel.
I hope you guys are enjoying these quick tutorials. If you like this style of a really fast tutorial, please subscribe and let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Going in with Soothe in the metallic formula, I'm using my finger to just pop this right on the center of the lid to give it that nice beaming effect on the very center.
When you got your hands in mine.
Now we're getting really fancy and going in with Soothe in the glitter. I'm tapping it on the center. Look at this shine. It is so beautiful. I can't get over it. I'm obsessed. I love glitter. I think this is absolutely stunning.
Drive in reverse when the summer ends.
For the bottom lash line, I'm just using Soothe in the matte shade and buffing it out because the top is very shiny and fancy. I want to keep the base really smoky and basic. Now go in with your favorite highlighter for the inner corner. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Bomb highlighter. This is a loose highlighter. I do find they usually are a bit brighter. So whatever highlighter you're going to use on your face, just pop this on your inner corner and on your brow bone.
Fine. When you got your hands in mine.
For the waterline, I'm using this light cream shade to make my eye appear larger yet again.
All the time, baby, you make me feel fine.
Now to make my eyelashes appear thicker, I'm just lining the top of my eyelid and also bringing that out into a little bit of a wing, just a little baby wing, not a crazy wing, just a baby wing. Now I'm just popping on some mascara. And that is it. I did not put false lashes on. I don't usually wear false lashes, so I just went with my natural lashes today. I do encourage you to just embrace your natural lashes. So natural lashes all the way with just a coat of mascara. And that completes today's really quick eyeshadow tutorial. Again, if you did enjoy this, please let me know. And if you want more quick tutorials like this, also let me know. Thank you so very much for watching. I will see you in a few days for a new video. Bye!
Dead before the devils try to take my soul. Yeah, I call that love TKO. This thing here way too cold. You gon' shine like a pot of gold. If you didn't know, now you know. Feel me? Don't ask me how I been, how I do. Please don't bring your friends, they not cool. Yeah. When you